The e-bike conversion market is heating up, with two lightweight friction drive systems gaining attention. Kamingo launched its modular system through Kickstarter in June 2025, allowing users to convert their bicycles into e-bikes quickly. In October 2025, LIVALL introduced the PikaBoost 2 Lite, emphasizing simplicity and portability. Now, with both products available, the key question is, which conversion kit provides the better riding experience and value? Let's find out. The PikaBoost 2 Lite uses a 250 watts continuous motor with up to 500 watts peak output, providing enough assistance for city commuting, daily rides, and moderate climbs. Its V-shaped traction roller uses anti-slip technology to maintain grip and automatically reduces power when excessive wheel spin is detected. However, Kamingo takes performance further with a 250 watts nominal motor capable of producing 750 watts peak power. This gives Kamingo a significant advantage when accelerating, carrying heavier loads, or climbing steeper roads. Its pressure adaptive technology automatically adjusts roller contact pressure with the tire, helping maintain traction across different surfaces. For riders who want maximum power from a compact conversion kit, Kamingo offers stronger performance. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 Lite comes with a compact 158 watt-hour battery using 18650 lithium cells. It provides up to 50 km of assisted range depending on terrain, rider weight, and assistance settings. Kamingo features a much larger 266 watt-hour battery built with EV-grade 21,700 lithium cells. The company claims up to 90 kilometers of range, although real-world performance will depend on riding conditions. The additional capacity gives Kamingo more energy for longer commutes and extended cycling trips. Both products are designed to avoid complicated e-bike conversions, but their designs are slightly different. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 Lite weighs 3 kilograms and attaches directly to compatible round seat posts between 25mm and 35mm. Its tool-free installation makes switching between normal cycling and electric assistance simple. Kamingo is even lighter at only 2.3 kilograms, including the motor and battery system. The initial setup takes around 3 minutes, while the modular design allows the unit to be attached or removed in approximately 10 seconds after installation. Although LIVALL offers a simpler first setup, Kamingo provides better portability with a lighter overall design. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 Lite includes slip detection, automatic motor cutoff, adaptive assistance, and integrated rear lighting, making it ideal for urban commuting. In contrast, Kamingo offers advanced technology with Bluetooth security locking, companion app support, obstacle detection, automatic fall detection, and pressure adaptive technology that adjusts motor behavior based on conditions. For everyday riders, weather protection and compatibility with various bicycles are key. The PikaBoost 2 Lite fits standard adult bikes with tire widths between 25 and 65 mm, but not rear suspension or children's bikes. LIVALL offers weather protection rated between IPX5 and IP66, while Kamingo provides IP66 protection against dust and water, supporting city, trekking, gravel, and folding bikes. Kamingo has limitations with fat tire mountain bikes and certain brake systems, but offers stronger environmental protection overall. Thank you for tuning in. After comparing performance, battery, weight, technology, durability, and practicality, the Kamingo E-bike Converter takes the overall victory. Meanwhile, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 Lite is perfect for commuters who prioritize simplicity, USB-C charging, portability, and safety lighting. If you prefer extra power and range, choose Kamingo. If convenience and travel-friendly design are key, LIVALL is a solid option. Which one would you choose for your bike conversion? Share your thoughts in the comments.